Ney Chenpo is a circle dance, and the title means Great Sacred Place. So we start the dance this way. We do double step right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and arm up, so right, left, right up, left up. Next part of the dance we will do like this, right, right, up, and then left, 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 up. So we do in 8 count, first going with the right in front and arms follow, crossing a little bit in front, back and open. And then with left, in front of right, back. And then next part we go our body turn a little to the left and we do same kind of movement, right first and left. So we do 2 sequences of 8 count. Will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we continue going to the right side and little jump with right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right up, down, step, left up, down, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4. We do this until there is only music. When the singer starts, we do this movement like before, no? So right, double count and double step, left, double count, double step. We turn to our left again with double. So right, right, left, left. Together 8 count will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 8 count, we do this movement, right in front, 1, 2, 3, 4, our body goes, move to the left, 5, 6, 7, 8, now we alternate right and left step, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Pay attention in this movement, the accent is in the 1 and the third, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we repeat this double right step, 1, 2, 3, 4, turning, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is when in the song they say core, so circulating. And we repeat this sequence, but now we repeat double. To the right and to the left. From here again, there is music, so we go to the right, little jump, 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, right, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4. We continue like this. In the middle of the dance, once the music starts with a different rhythm. So before going in the lateral sequence where we have the jump and we go to right and then we go to the left and repeating a few times. Before this, we have 2 sequences of 8 count each. So we do like that. We will do like 2 count with right foot, heel first and step, and then left. Heel, step, again right, heel, step, again left, heel, step. Now we turn and we do right, right, left, left, and again heel, step, heel, step. So if we count, we'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here we enter in the lateral part. Last part of the dance will be like this. We repeat this sequence with 8 counts. Twisting to the right, then to the left. This is as usual. Now we do one more time, more in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step with right and arms up. Very straight on the side. And we turn right, right, left, left, right, left.